Hi, Melissa again. I wanted to just take a minute or two and just tell you a little bit about what Keller Williams University is and what a Keller Williams University approved instructor had to go through in order to get that designation. Keller Williams University provides a lot of the great content that we teach at FES and that instructors teach all over the country. In order to become a Keller Williams University instructor, you have to complete not only train the presenter, which is a 2 day workshop. Also, train the trainer, which is another 2 day workshop typically, all conducted by master faculty of KWU. You have to pass those classes and you have to teach outside your market center. You have to teach the core classes that Keller Williams offers. And you have to get evaluations of at least 4.5 out of 5 stars. And it's about 70, 75 reviews that you have to get in order to be considered as a Keller Williams University approved instructor. You also have to be recommended by a master faculty and a Keller Williams University instructor in order to even apply. So it takes a little bit of time. It takes a lot of preparation for the instructors that you're going to see in front of you to become KWU approved. And they have been teaching a lot before they get to your market center. They'll be excited to come and visit you, as we all are. And if you have any questions about becoming KWU approved, I'd be happy to answer those as well.